Hey everybody, welcome to Rome Bearded. I'm Jason. We're outside of Leadville, Colorado, so we are up there. It's mid-September. We got snow on the ground, and we got our tent set up. However, we're gonna add a little piece to this. So we've got the insulation layer that goes inside this tent. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in for you, show you how it's done and what we like about it. This video is not sponsored by anybody, especially Avery. However, this is a fantastic beer, the Night Warden. This is a whiskey barrel-aged stout. And if you're gonna be hanging out anywhere where there's snow on the ground, a good stout does wonders for the belly.
Let me hear your war cry!
So this is the quilted insulated layer. This goes on the inside of the tent. It's not terribly thick. It's actually thin enough that when it's up there, you can just leave it in and close it up. Now the instructions say to actually unhook it from the poles. You'll see how we do that in a second. But we actually didn't last year when we had it hooked up in there. We just left it all completely plugged in, folded the tent shut, and it works just fine. So maybe I'm damaging something, but I hope I'm not. But this is the layer. Let's go upstairs. All right, so we're up here in the iKamper X cover. We've got this awesome quilted layer up here. This here covers all four walls and the roof. And there are zipper openings to open all the windows, doors, sunroof, so that you can get all your light, all your fresh air. Even so, if you leave it in and it turns out to be a 90-degree day, you're like, oh crap, you can actually, you'll be all right keeping this in. We did it. We did it on our 17-day adventure. We didn't take it out until we were heading towards Nebraska, where it was going to be 104 degrees. That's crazy. Anyway, so this does not have markings to say whether you're in the front or the back. So I had to guess last time, and I think I guessed wrong. So I'm gonna try and guess right this time and put it in opposite direction that we did last time. Super easy to install. It's got these hooks that just snap into the poles. So this is the center line, goes into the center pole. See ya. Okay, so once you get most of these hooks up in there, there's this hook in the corner, and there is a loop in every corner of this tent. You just hook these up to the corners, and that keeps it up against the walls. So there you have it. This is the insulated layer inside the X cover rooftop tent by iKamper. You said all these windows and doors open. The skylight opens, so you can still get that nice view of the stars when your skylight's not dirty. And when all the windows are closed And this thing is in here. This thing stays super dark late into the morning. You won't even notice it's morning until you crack one of these windows open and it blinds you. Like, oh, hey, look at that. So this thing's pretty cool. We're looking at temperatures around mid-20s tonight for the lows. So it's really nice to have this in here. We do have a little buddy heater. We didn't bring it on this trip, forgot it, but that's okay because you don't necessarily need it until you're talking like teens, single digits, maybe you want it. But even when we did use it, we used it once last winter. We turned it on for like 10 minutes right before bed just to take the chill off inside the tent. And then, I don't know, we got a pair of 0 bags and we lay a 30 bag on top of the mattress here. So we stayed nice and toasty and didn't even need to turn it on in the middle of the night. So that was pretty sweet. And that got down to 16 degrees that night. So this thing is definitely worth its weight if you want to try and extend your camping season into, you know, late fall, winter, start it early in winter or early spring. Yeah, this thing is definitely worth it. No regrets. So anyway, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a beat. You're gonna want to ring that little bell. And yeah, if you want to see more on the iKamper, we'll link that right up here in the corner, this corner, right there. There's the video about the iKamper X cover. And yeah, this is the insulation layer that goes inside of it. We dig it. We're gonna be nice and toasty tonight, I have no doubt. All right, well, thanks for tuning in, everybody. Appreciate all your support, and we're gonna see you next time right here on Roam Bearded. Roam on. There you go, bed's made. So much room, love it. Bye now.